A korma recipe so simple that even I can't fail? Stay tuned. Hey kids, JD here. This week I decided to do something a little different. If you're not familiar, Shan Spices is a company out of Pakistan, and they make a lot of just powder spice mixes, which are fairly popular. The nice thing about spice mixes like this is you can have a good meal without needing a lot of exotic ingredients. It's already in here. So I thought that I would try their korma recipe, just to see how that is. Here's how it goes. But before we get going, go ahead, hit the subscribe button, wherever it is, for more videos just like this. Step 1. Heat oil, fry onions until light golden, remove and crush. I do not end up with crispy brown onions. So for me, I just don't even bother anymore. In the same oil, add meat, yogurt, and Shan korma mix. Cover and cook on low for 20 to 30 minutes. I'd like to make a suggestion here. Get rid of half the oil. Why do I say that? Because if you don't, at the end, you're going to have this layer of grease that's like a 1/4 inch thick that you're going to have to get rid of. Whereas if you remove some of that oil immediately, it's just not there and you don't end up eating it. Believe me, it will be a lot better that way. Add Julienne ginger and 1/2 to 1 cup of water for gravy. Cover and cook on low heat until meat is tender. Stir in crushed onions. Cover and cook on low heat for 5 to 10 minutes. And the last step, which I just mentioned, remove excessive oil before serving. Okay, one other thing I want to point out is that if you're going to do this on the regular, you're going to need to work with your cooking times, because I put it on low for 30 minutes and it didn't really even cook. I had to turn the heat up. That's what I have to do. If you're going to do this regularly, you're going to have to figure out for yourself what works. Now it has 2 notes here. Number 1, yogurt should not be sour. Okay, yogurt by its very definition is sour. That's what happens. That's what the bacteria do, is they turn it sour. So I don't know what they're talking about. Second of all, do not use over brown fried onions. Okay, just, don't overcook them. That's fine. They expect that you're using some kind of bone in. I use boneless chicken thighs this time. You can use what you like. It's not going to affect anything at all, except the cooking times maybe. Okay, now that we're done with that, let's give it a try and see how it turned out. Okay, not sure you can see this. I think you can. Looks pretty good. So this is chicken korma, recipe from the back of the Shan Spices box. Let's see how it turned out. Okay. It's good. It's got just enough heat to make it interesting, not so much that you can't eat it. I'm getting cloves, a little bit of the onion. Get nice little bursts of ginger whenever you find pieces of it. Yeah, it's a good taste throughout. I would like to have a little more consistency through it, but there's nothing here to hate. If nothing else, if you like getting little bits of this and little bits of that, this is perfect. I don't know that the recipe is exactly right. You may have to tweak it a little bit, but God, this is definitely good, definitely recommended. Okay, that's it for this video. Feel free to leave a like, leave a comment below. If you don't like, go ahead and hit the like button away. Show what a great human being you are. There'll be a link to subscribe, a link for a playlist full of videos just like this, and a link for my most recent video. Once again, I'm JD Tremaine. Thanks for watching. See you soon.